Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel once again. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit this subscribe button right now, and make sure you also click on this bell icon to get notifications to know whenever any video is uploaded on this channel. So today in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make money doing surveys in Nigeria. The website is actually just available for Nigerians right now, but when it's available for other countries, I'm also going to let you guys know so that you can start using the website. And the website is called Lumi, and I'm actually making this video because you guys requested it. This is my Telegram channel. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, Telegram channel, I have my link in the description and also in the pinned comment in this video, so you can just head there, subscribe to my channel, and also join the groups. And what I do in my group is, if you have any questions of any video you want me to create on this channel, and I feel like something that's going to be helpful to people, then I'm going to make a video on that on my channel. And if you also have any questions regarding any of my videos or any questions relating to tech, you can just ask me in my Telegram group, and I'm going to be answering you as quickly as possible. So up on my Telegram channel, you can see I ran a poll asking, do you want a video on how to make good money doing surveys in Nigeria? And then 92% of people said yes. 4% of people said nope, they don't want the video on that. And another 4% said they want something else. So if you are part of this 4% of people that said they wanted something else, you can just head on to the group and you can just tell me what you want. And if it's something that is very relevant, not something I can just do for just you, something I know that is going to be helpful to other people, I am going to make a video on my channel. So that's that about that. And now on my channel before, I've actually made a video for this platform before. This platform is called Lumi. Back then they were called Enlumi, but now they are called Lumi, and their website is Get Lumi. As you can see right here, I did a video on how to get free airtime in Nigeria on any web network, and you can see at the end, you can see Lumi right there. I just changed the name. So I had about 2,000 views, and a lot of people have been using the website, and I've been getting like really good feedback about the website. So this video is actually like a freestyle video. I have not practiced anything before I started recording this video. After the poll, I've been very busy, so now I just woke up and I was like, yeah, I have to do this video. So I just put on my mic, and then I put on my laptop, and then I just started recording. I have not practiced anything because I have been using the website for a very long time, almost a year now. You can see this video was posted 8 months ago, so I actually know a lot of things about the website, and I'm just going to be enlightening you guys about the website. Now, for you to get started, the first thing you need to do is you need to input that link in the description. I put a link for you to register. The link is in the description and also in the pinned comment. I'm just going to paste that in the search box. You can see it. This is my link, so you can just click on that link to get registered to the Lumi website. And now I'm just going to be opening the Lumi website. So this is the Lumi website, and on the website you can see my reward wallet. I have 1,600 naira just doing surveys, and then my claim rewards 1,400, and I have 58 referrals, and I have 121,000 Lumi points, which is actually a lot. And I'm a gold member of Lumi. That's the highest ranking for a Lumi member. And you can make money not just doing surveys on this website, but mostly you can make money doing surveys, and you don't also just cash out only using airtime. Like you can see the video I did before. I'm just going to be going back. Okay, you can see the video I did before. I did it on how to get free airtime, because back then Lumi just allowed you to cash out using just airtime, but now they actually allow you to cash out your money directly to your bank account. So you can see right here, these are the quick actions you can perform on Lumi. You can see you can take a survey, complete surveys, and unlock unlimited rewards for yourself. You can see airtime and bills, get rewarded when you pay your bills or buy airtime. And you can see the shop right here. You can shop at the brand you love and automatically get rewarded. Like if you are someone that uses Jumia or use Gigi or use those kind of platforms, your shopping platforms, so whenever you buy something using those platforms and you buy it through Lumi, then you can get rewarded. But this feature is actually not available yet. And you can see the explore option, where you can discover all the ways you can earn money using Enlumi. I'm going to be creating that soon. But before I get into that, you can see this right here. Congratulations to our latest raffle winners. And then there are some people here, and they said it's coming soon actually, but this has actually been existent on the website, where every week we have some raffle winners on Lumi. You just complete surveys, and then you get eligible to be a raffle winner, and then at the end, if you are picked, then you get an amount of money. So I think they are like refurbishing the whole concept. Like they are trying to bring it back maybe better, so that's why it's actually still coming soon. So now when I click on the explore icon, then it's just going to bring me to all the ways you can make money using Enlumi. And now if you see right here, you can see like there are lots of ways you can make money using Enlumi. If I press the load more, you can see that you can get different points doing different things. Now buying airtime and paying bills on Enlumi. Now if I click on pay now, it's going to take me to an option. Now after you have made some money on Enlumi, you can top up your account like through your MTN, Airtel, 9 Mobile. You can top up, you can purchase data, you can pay your electricity bill, you can pay your cable TV like your Go TV, your DSTV and others. That's Go TV, DSTV and StarTimes. Those are the cable TV supported right now. And when you top up maybe your MTN, your Airtel, your Glo, your 9 Mobile, or you purchase data on also your MTN, your Airtel, your Glo, or your 9 Mobile, then you get points on Enlumi. You get 10,000 points. You can see right there, you get 10,000 points whenever you did that using Enlumi. So you can actually get cash back on every purchase instead of just purchasing airtime normally, and then let's say you purchase 1,000 naira airtime and then you just get 1,000 naira back. You can use Enlumi and then you make money like that. Now when you invite friends, and then you get 500 points for every friend you invite. When you click on that, you see your unique referral link. Then just copy that link, you share it with your friends on WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, and other platforms, and then you make money through the people you refer by getting points. And me scrolling down, you can see these are a lot of articles that Lumi have written. And then when you come here, you can see surveys predict to win AFCON round of 16 January 26. Now you can make money in two ways doing this. Now in surveys like this, you can just predict the scores and the team that is going to win, and then when someone wins or you get the scores correctly, you get these 400 points now for doing the survey. And then you also make money if your predictions are correct. So I'm just going to be taking the survey right there. I'm going to click on take survey, and then you're just going to be asked to take the survey, and then they'll be like, who will win the match between Ivory Coast and Egypt? And then just click on Egypt is going to win. Then how many goals will be scored in the match between Ivory Coast and Egypt? And then I'm just going to be clicking on one. That's one goal for the win for Ivory Coast. And then who win the match between Mali and Equatorial Guinea? I'm just going to be clicking on Mali, and that will be 3 goals. Maybe the score is going to be 2-1. And then I just click on submit. And then after clicking on submit, then you see congratulations, you have just earned 400 points. It's that easy to make money with Lumi. So then you just click on that, and then you get 400 points, and then your points will be added to your wallet, and then it's also going to be transformed into money in your wallet. So you can just keep taking surveys like that, and then you keep getting points. And those are basically just the ways you can make money on Enlumi. You can buy airtime and then get cash back. You can invite your friends, and they can complete surveys. Now the website is actually still under construction. They still have a lot of things, like when I was telling you guys about the raffle, they still have a lot of things they are going to add to the website, and I feel like the website is actually very, very good. I've been using it for like a year and I've not had any issues. The cash out is very fast. And okay, just to show you guys, I think I'm going to be cashing out right now. Okay, I'm going to be cashing out right now. So you just click on claim rewards when you cash out. If you want to cash out through airtime or through cash or through gift cards, that one is coming soon. I'm actually really expecting this because I use gift cards a lot. So I'm just going to click on cash, and then when you click on cash, you're going to see the withdraw funds option, and then they'll ask you to put the amount you want to withdraw in engine. That's the amount I'm going to be withdrawing. And then this is my bank account, and I'm going to be taking it from my rewards wallet. That's 1,620, and then I'm just going to click on proceed. Now that they'll just show you a little receipt, and then the charges is just 10 naira, and then I want to withdraw 1,620, and then I'm going to be putting in my Enlumi password. Once you click on withdraw now, then I think it waits for just about 10 to 20 minutes. Sometimes it's not that long, especially if you are withdrawing using MTN. Like if you are withdrawing using airtime, when you click on the airtime, that's the one I do a lot. And then I click on rewards wallet. I just input my phone number, and then I enter the amount I want to withdraw. Let's say 15, and then I click on my network provider, that's MTN, and then you just click on proceed, and then they will show you this little receipt again, and then you put in your Enlumi password again, and then you click on pay now. And then when you click on pay now, your money is going to reflect in your account. You can see this was awesome, my transaction was successful. So you can also do that through the normal cash out, but I just withdrew using airtime recharge. So I'm just going to return to bills. So for you guys to see the cash out, this thing screenshot, I am gonna be putting the cash out screenshot on my Telegram channel, so you can just head on to my Telegram channel so that you guys can see the cash out screenshots to know that the website is actually really legit. And then you can see the money remaining in my account is just 120 naira. And then I'm gonna be taking more surveys now, and then I'm gonna be making more money using the wallet. So those are the ways you can actually make money using Enlumi, and you can see that it was a very easy guide, something that is very easy to get. So you guys should join Get Lumi. That's my link right there on the screen. I put it in the description of this video and also in the pinned comment. I'm also gonna be putting it on my Telegram channel, so you guys should just click on that, register for Lumi, and start making money. I cannot wait to start seeing you guys cash out screenshots in my DMs on Telegram. So that's all for this video. If you guys haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, make sure you click on this big red subscribe button right now. Make sure you click on this big red subscribe button right now, and make sure you also click on this bell icon so that you know whenever I post a new video. You don't want to miss my video because I make like very interesting, informative videos. Now I'm thanking you guys again for 1K subscribers. I posted that about a month ago. I'm always saying it in my recent videos. I said it with you guys. Thank you all for your support. And I said we're hitting 2K soon, and you guys are taking it like really seriously. We're already on 1.27K subscribers. So I want to say thank you guys for all the support, and I cannot wait to hear from you guys in the Telegram group. Maybe if you have any issues, that's still hearing from you guys, and so that we can just interact on a personal level. You can message me, you can joke with me, we can laugh and stuff, even on my Telegram group. So I cannot wait to see you guys, and stay tuned on this channel for more videos. Thank you guys for watching, and have a really nice day. Bye guys.